So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a passkey on PayPal. So if you want to create a passkey on PayPal, you will need to log in to your eligible personal or premier account using the web version on a supported mobile device. So once you're prompted, you can click continue and use your device lock such as Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN to save it. So you can use a supported mobile device for that. You can also use Safari in this case to use your PayPal account. So ensure that your device has the screen lock set up. So if you're using Face ID or Touch ID, if you have a fingerprint or PIN set up, so you can add that passkey to your account. So passkeys are not supported on Windows devices or WebView browsers, so just make sure that you use the correct browsers or apps to do that. So if you want to create it, just log into your account and you can look for the option once you get prompted from time to time when you get to your account, the option to create a passkey prompt, and then you can review the information and tap on continue or next. So after that, you can unlock your device using a biometric scan. So in this case, as I mentioned before, a face or a fingerprint, or you can use a device PIN passcode to confirm that. So these are some of the ways that you can protect your account, which is very important nowadays. So just make sure that you add that specific passkey either through your settings, or you should be prompted if you don't have one already every time you enter the app. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.